Hello Future Millionaire. In this video I want to show you why you should not, I repeat, should not buy real estate as a inflation hedge. Where I am here right now is at one of the most prominent location on the Gold Coast for property development. This thing is called the Jewel. The developer was going down a few times, the chain changed quite a few times. All in all, those people have sunk in $3 billion worth of asset into this. And do you know how many apartments are sold inside here? They're almost finishing because they had to stop running out of money. It's right in front of the ocean. And now take a wild guess how many apartments are sold in this complex. Let me turn it around. Okay, there's a few hundred apartments in there. How many are sold? Zero, nothing. Why? Because miscalculation, mistiming. And now I think COVID actually are giving the developer a get out jail card for free. Because now all these people rushing in from New South Wales and from Victoria and other states, they're looking for properties here on the Gold Coast to buy, and in Queensland as well. And there's nothing else for sale. I'm not selling my properties here. I own a lot of land. I don't own any of those. They end up buying those things. And you know what? This kind of properties, they never make money. If you put $1-2 million into this kind of properties, the fees is going to eat you up alive. But if you put $1-2 million into Bitcoin Cash, you will make 10 times to 100 times of your original investment within 3 to 4 years. How can a property like this catch up to Bitcoin Cash or any cryptos for that matter? Think hard about that. So if you are in the market right now wanting to buy real estate because your spouse tells you to do so or your inner self telling you to do so, don't do it. Renting is not as bad as you think. Think about it this way. In hyperinflation, rent increase can never catch up to the real inflationary rate. I suggest you should rent and take the money that you save from renting, put into Bitcoin Cash or any other crypto that you like. And you are going to get ahead way more than any of those real estate. Okay, this much today. I'm done for today. 4 videos in one day is good enough. And Elon Musk, remember my offer. Hey, I still want to give you some Bitcoin Cash and I want your cars, okay? Offer not expiring yet, but maybe one day soon, because if you don't take my offer, I'm going to bring it somewhere else. Someone's going to want my money. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.